Don't mind the mess, don't mind the mess. But I'm about to show you a Wi-Fi smart heater that you could put on your patio, you put in your garage. Hey, that was hot. It's on. I'll show you how to install it. I'll give it a review. Let's go. All right, what's in the box? A Wi-Fi infrared smart heater for your patio. Duh. This is why you click the video. Got the mounting bracket, comes with 2 screws and anchors. Slick little remote. And the grand finale. We got the heater. Check this bad boy out. It's got a light. It's got 3 heat settings. Everything you need. Carabiner to hang it. Here's the manual. Shows you how it's done. Just watch the video. I'll do it all for you. Alright, we got it unboxed. Let's install it. Pretty simple. Just a bracket. If I can remember where I set it down. Right here. Here you go. 2 screws. I measured it out. It's going to hang down 21 inches from the hook. So I'm going to stick mine up a little high because I don't want it to be cooking me as I'm standing here at my workbench. There we go. We probably just hang it here. What's it gonna harm? All right, let's grab the heater. Here we go. Look at that. She's a Butte Clark BrewVox. All you're gonna do is take the carabiner, hit the hook. There she is. Oh, I shouldn't say there she is. You got to plug it in still. Today, Junior, there we go. Let's just plug it into the extension cord for now. Ring a ding, 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 ding. I mean, that might be. Let's get a different angle. What are we at? Where are we at? There's the thing hanging. That might be a little warm. So it's 57 degrees in my garage here. Oh yeah, look at her heat up. Let's get in there. Get in there. Oh yeah. Oh, P2, so section 2. Yeah, we should probably cut that off. Oh yeah, them suckers are melted. Note to self, take those out. Oh yeah. All right, let's take the remote and turn it on. I just put batteries in it. It takes 2 AA's. There she is. Turn her on. Let's go what P1 is. Let's see what it lights up. Well, yeah, look at that coil heat up. All right, P1's that side. P2's the other side. P3, both sides. Now, there is an app for this heater. Unfortunately, my Wi-Fi doesn't reach the garage, so I can't really show it to you. But there is an app for all you smart people out there, or smartphone users, or app users. It has a light. Job done.